Hello everyone, I'm Shashi and you're watching the YouTube channel Hinglish. I'd like to welcome all of you to the second lesson on Hindi verbs. In the very first video, we discussed about 5 main Hindi verbs and we used those verbs with the pronoun up. So today I'm going to give you another 2 Hindi verbs and we are going to use those Hindi verbs with the pronoun tum. So if this is your first time here with our channel, then you may have quite confused with the pronouns and these Hindi verbs. So don't worry about it. You can go to the previous videos. Here you can get the links, and at the end of this video also you can get the links of the previous videos which are on Hindi verbs and pronouns. And after watching those videos, I'm quite sure that you will get a basic understanding of how to use Hindi verbs with the pronouns. So if you're ready to learn these 2 new Hindi verbs, then let's get started. Now we'll take a look at the new verbs that we are going to learn today. The very first verb that we are going to discuss is Ana. Ana, which means come. And now we are going to use the verb Ana with the pronoun tum, which means you. We all know that we are using the pronoun tum with someone who is very familiar to us. So we have to change the verb form Ana according to the pronoun tum. So Ana becomes Ao. Ana becomes Ao. Right. We'll take an example. Tum ghar aao. Tum ghar aao. Ghar means home. So we are asking someone who is very familiar to us to come home. Tum ghar aao. Second example. Tum idhar aao. Tum idhar aao. Idhar means here. So tum idhar aao means come here. Third one. Tum andar aao. Tum andar aao. Andar means in or inside. So andar aao means come in. Right. The next example. तुम मुझसे मिलने आओ. Oh, तुम आज मुझसे मिलने आओ. Which means you come to meet me today. तुम आज मुझसे मिलने आओ. Right. So we'll take a look at this second verb form. If we are asking someone to come here, then we have to know how to ask them to go somewhere also. So, what is the verb which can use to give the meaning go or going? Right, that is Jaana. Jaana, which means go. And when we use the verb Jaana with tum, it becomes Jao. Jao. So we'll take an example. तुम बाहर जाओ. तुम बाहर जाओ. Which means you may go out. बाहर जाओ. But when we say like this, तुम बाहर जाओ, it doesn't give a sense of anger. But if you are really angry with someone and you want him to leave the place right now, then you can change your tone and you can ask him like this. तुम बाहर जाओ, which means to leave the place right now and go out. तुम बाहर जाओ. Right. We'll take another example. तुम स्कूल जाओ. तुम स्कूल जाओ, which means you go to school. The other one. तुम घर जाओ. तुम घर जाओ, which means you go home. Right. The next sentence. तुम उधर जाओ. तुम उधर जाओ. उधर, which means there. So उधर जाओ means go there. My dear friends, I think today you have learned another 2 new verbs. So you can use these verbs in your day-to-day conversation. And if you feel that you can learn something from these videos, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. And you can find me over there also. Please visit to this social media network and watch my videos and like it over there and comment them, and please share these videos among your friends. And if you have any comments, don't forget to write them below at the comment section. दोस्तों, अगर आपको मेरा ये छोटा सा वीडियो पसंद आया है तो फिर मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा और उसके साथ साथ जो बेल आइकन है वहां पे भी क्लिक कर दीजिएगा। और यहाँ पे ये जो सोशल मीडिया नेटवर्क आपको दिख रहा है वहां पे भी जाके आप मेरे चैनल के जो वीडियोस है उस पे कमेंट कर सकते हैं, लाइक कर सकते हैं और ये सारे वीडियोस आप अपने दोस्तों में शेयर कर दीजिएगा ताकि ये और भी लोगों तक पहुंचे। So we'll meet again another interesting video on Hindi Verbs. ऐसे ही एक मजेदार वीडियो के साथ फिर मिलते हैं। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।